Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys on this training today. Uh, if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release wonderful videos like this, because on this channel I release awesome videos and strategies to win in the markets. Okay, so today I'm not talking about a strategy, but I want to talk about how to use this support and demand indicator. Okay, I posted this indicator on my Telegram channel. Okay, and I made you guys a promise that I'm gonna make a video on how the indicator works and how to use it. So this is the video. Okay, if you want the indicator, just go straight to the link on the description below and hit the Telegram link channel. All right, channel link, and then hop straight into my channel. Go to the back end of the channel and you'll be able to find out the indicator. So once you get the indicator, you load it on your PC, and then this is the video on how to use it and how it works. Okay, so it's a simple indicator, a support and demand indicator. Okay, so you use this indicator to spot out your various supports and resistance levels in your market. Okay, like now I'm in the volatility 100 index. Okay, so I'm currently trading with the trend. Okay, and with the help of this indicator, I'm able to know the places where the market would have some indecisions. All right, so when I notice those areas, what I would do is to wait for the market to do its normal playing games and up and downs, and then I'll enter my trade once I notice a breakout. Okay, and what is the breakout? The breakout is when the market trends and moves in a range. Okay, and ranges for a while and then breaks out through a support or resistance. That's the breakout. So currently, as you can see, I'm on this trade here. All right, this was where I took the first trade. I took the first trade here. I took the first trade here when I noticed the breakout. Okay, there was a breakout here, and then when it broke out, the market kept on trending downward. Okay, downward, downward, downward. It met another support here. It ranged and ranged and ranged and ranged and broke out again. Okay, it came up to this level again, ranged and ranged and ranged and broke out again, and now is on a new range. Okay, so this indicator helps you spot out your supports and resistance levels. As you can see currently, now you see here it says untested resistance, untested resistance. Here it says verified resistance 3, verified resistance 1, untested resistance. Now what does that mean? When it says verified resistance, it means the market has fought through this area and has broken out going downward. So the resistance of this area has been verified to be a true resistance. Okay, here it's saying it's untested because the market has broken out but hasn't come back to fight this resistance again. Okay, this was the initial fight before the breakout, and after the breakout it did not come back to fight it again. Okay, it went straight down. So that's why it's telling you that it's untested, that the market hasn't come yet to retest it. That's why. So the market is going straight down. Okay, and the same thing has happened here also. The market's ranged and has broken down, and this market is telling you untested because is expecting that the trend could actually come back and retest it. When it retests it, what happens? It breaks out. Okay, so it's telling you untested resistance. So if this market continues, if this market breaks through this one right now and goes through, it will, so that's the breakout. Okay, here is saying verified support because is really the market is really ranging at this area. So is a verified support. The support is verified because the market at this area is truly actually ranging. Now you can, if you notice, a breakout is about to take place. Okay, if you want to enter a trade, I don't advise you to enter a trade here. You see this little black line, allow the market to pass through it and probably break through, okay, before you take your trade. Or if you can allow the market to pass through the black line before you enter your market, okay? Because if it passes through this black line, there's every tendency for you to keep going down to come and retest this other support level, okay? So as you can see, the range is still occurring and the market is trying its best to do what? To break out. As you can see at this level, when it was at this black lines here, it went back up. There was a push up again. So this place is still identified as a resistance. So you must allow the market pass through. Let the market pass through before you enter your trade. You can see it's coming down gradually. It's coming down. Once this market crosses this green line will automatically change its color to tell you it's now a resistance. It's no more a support. Okay, so the difference between support and resistance is when the line when you have the line upward like this and the market is below it ranging, that place is a resistance. Okay, and when you have the line downward and the market is above it ranging, that place is support. So as the market is above this green line, here is a support. Okay, and once the market breaks through, it will turn from support to resistance. Okay guys, so this is how this strategy, this is not a strategy, sorry, this is how this indicator works. So it's a very wonderful indicator you can use to spot out your various supports and resistance. So in this case, you'll be able to know how to fight your market. Okay, this is actually for those who don't know how to spot out their supports and resistance with their trend line. Okay, and I've taught you guys already that on my previous video. You can go, maybe I'll put it on the description below where you watch it, and that's where I taught you guys how to spot out your various supports and resistance levels and how to analyze the market and use it for sniper entries. Okay, so you can check the link on the description below and watch that video to the end to learn well how to spot out supports and resistance. And actually, it's for the sake of those who are actually using phones. Okay, because of those who don't have a PC to load this indicator, you still have a hope, which is that video is going to teach you how to spot out your supports and resistance, because I made the video even with my phone, right? That I made the analysis even with my phone. So you see, all right, you can see what just happened. That green line now has what? Disappeared. Okay, it has disappeared. Why? Because the trend has broken through. So this is the next support level it wants to go and retest, and you would notice that at this level, when it gets here, it will begin to range again, and this place very soon, this pink line will also appear here to tell you that this is now a new resistance level. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you love it, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Telegram channel, because I teach a lot there, and I also give free signals and indicators also there. So let's keep winning, guys. But in the meantime, I remain your one and only Forex Skill Coach, Team Legend, and I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a happy and wonderful New Year ahead.